Werner Heisenberg, Kurt Gödel and Noam Chomsky walk into a bar. Heisenberg looks around the bar and says, "Because there are three of us and because this is a bar, it must be a joke. But the question remains, is it funny or not?" Gödel thinks for a moment and says, "Because we're inside the joke, we can't tell whether it's funny. We'd have to be outside looking at it." Chomsky looks at both of them and says, "Of course it's funny, you're just telling it wrong. Bah ha 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 ha." Was that too deep? Do I need to bring back Explainer Guy?
Subscribe, share, comment, and give me a thumbs up.